Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you some delicious chocolate cupcakes for Halloween that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare the amazing chocolate cupcakes for Halloween, these are the ingredients. 2 room temperature eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee, granulated coffee, 1 pinch of salt, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and of course, a non-stick baking cream made at home. And of course, you already have the baking cream on my channel, that amazing recipe that you shouldn't be missing out. But let's get started and make these amazing chocolate cupcakes. I want to start here by first adding the room temperature eggs. This part is very important. Always add all your ingredients at room temperature. Of course, adding half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 splash of vanilla paste, half a cup of sour cream, and then we are going to incorporate really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Look at this. Let me tell you, these cupcakes come out so delicious that I'm sure you're going to love them. Of course, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of granulated coffee. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of salt. Just incorporate all these ingredients. And of course, half a cup of granulated sugar, and just incorporate. You don't need anything else. Keep mixing, and you're gonna see that this mixture is gonna get nice and thick, and this is exactly how you want it. Look at this. Always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit before you add all this mixture into the oven. Look how creamy this is. Look at this. Look at the texture. You can make little ribbons with the texture of this amazing dough or mixture. And here I am ready. I have my little molds here, my cupcakes mold. I'm using the non-stick baking cream that you already have this amazing recipe on my channel. Believe me, once you use this non-stick baking cream homemade, you're no longer going to start buying those sprays to add to your cupcakes or all your baking goods. And now that you have this ready, I am going to start adding the mixture into each one. A little bit, half of the mixture. I'm not going to fill them all the way to the top. A little less than half. And I'm gonna add everything in here. And once this is done, I am ready to take it to the oven for about 20 minutes. Remember that every oven is different, so please keep an eye. Put a toothpick inside, and if it comes out clean, that means they are ready. Look at this. Let me tell you, when you make these cupcakes at home, you decide and you add as much sugar as you want, and you have control of that. And here, let me show you what I'm going to use for the decoration. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder, 1 stick of butter, and the vanilla paste. And here I am going to add the pinch of salt, the powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of the vanilla paste, and now I am ready to mix really good. Once I mixed it, now I am ready to add the butter. Let me tell you, this chocolate buttercream really comes out so delicious. I know that it looks dry, but keep mixing and you're going to start seeing how smooth and how beautiful this is going to become. It takes a little time, but let me tell you, when you taste it, you're going to say, oh my gosh, this chocolate buttercream really comes out delicious with very few ingredients. And of course, it's not too sugary because you decide how much sugar you add to this amazing chocolate buttercream. Mix it very well, and once this is mixed, of course, we need to taste it to see how this tastes, and just mix everything all the way to the bottom, making sure that everything, all the butter is nice and mixed. Oh my gosh, it tastes amazing. I am going to add it to this little baggie, pastry bag. If you don't have pastry bags at home, you could easily use a Ziploc and add everything in there. Now this is ready, and let's see how the cupcakes come out. Really fluffy. I'm gonna take this portion off, but let me taste it. Oh my God, really good. You're going to love these amazing chocolate cupcakes. I'm gonna add just a little bit in the center, and then I am going to cover the whole cupcake. And I'm doing it like this to give you another idea of how to prepare it. Adding the sprinkles, adding the little design in the center. And of course, if you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen. Have them help you with the decoration of these amazing cupcakes. I know that if you have kids, they're gonna start eating all the cupcakes, and they're gonna start enjoying the chocolate buttercream. Look at this. You decide what kind of decoration you want to add. I'm just giving you some samples and ideas so that for Halloween you're ready to enjoy and have your little ones help you make these amazing chocolate cupcakes. Well, I'm going to finish decorating the rest, and let me tell you, I am ready for Halloween. Of course, if you don't want to add nothing on top, just add a little bit of sprinkles and you're done. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy them. And let me show you the texture inside, how fluffy they are. Look at this. They're really fluffy from the inside, and the aroma of the chocolate, oh my gosh. If you love chocolate like I do, you're going to love these chocolate cupcakes. Well, I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. These chocolate cupcakes came out so delicious, really fluffy, and the flavor of the chocolate just amazing. Of course, I gotta taste this. Excuse me. So fluffy, so delicious. I am so ready for Halloween. If you like and love these amazing recipes for Halloween, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace, and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.